Hey Lanai fans, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're previewing our newest listing over here in Trevi Court of Treviso Bay. This is unit 4915. It's an Antonia floor plan, part of the terrace line of condos here at Treviso Bay. These are social membership only, so you don't have any golf dues per year. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, right around 1,200 square foot unit. Let's walk inside and take a look. As you come inside the unit directly to the right, you've got your eating kitchen area right here. And this leads you right into your kitchen here. Granite countertops, full stainless appliances. And this overlooks your main living room space here. Now coming back out of the kitchen area, we're gonna go to our left, and that's where you're gonna find the guest bedroom, the guest bath, and a linen closet. So here's your guest bedroom right here. And notice that it does have tile on the floor as opposed to carpet. And you've got your bifold style closet right there. And directly across is the bathroom with the single sink, the commode. Here you have a combination tub and shower. And you also have, right here is your laundry room facility. So you have room enough here for full size washer and dryer, and also space above for extra storage. Now coming back out into the main area here, we've got the open great room design here. So starting closest to the kitchen, you have a bar here, plenty of space for some stools, your dining area right here, and then your living space overlooking your views, which we're gonna return to in a minute. First, we're gonna look at the master bedroom here. Here again, no carpet, tile throughout. And this room here, plenty big enough for a king size suite. And you've got this beautiful view overlooking the lake and preserve here at Treviso Bay. Now focusing back towards the master again, you've got 2 closets here. And you've got a walk-in style closet. Again, no carpet, it is tiled all the way through. And then on the other side here, another walk-in style closet as well. And then you've got your master bath here with the single sink, the commode. You have another linen closet here, and you've got a standalone style of shower. Now let's go take a look at the lanai and the views here. As you can see here, your lanai space is plenty big enough for a nice 4-top. But the most important part here is the view. And you've got this tremendous view here of the lake here in the Trevi subdivision of Treviso Bay, and also the preserve. And this is a first floor unit, so it makes it very easy if you're a pet owner, if you have groceries that's coming in and out of your car. All right, folks, so this is our newest listing, 4915 here in Treviso Bay. If you're interested in this home, you can reach us at all the contact information below. This is Roberto with Pinnacle Property, and we appreciate you watching.